tornado emergency for City of Newnan. The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a tornado warning for Fayette County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Coweta County in west-central Georgia, south-central Fulton County in north-central Georgia, southwestern Clayton County in north-central Georgia, until 12:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:09 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed over Newnan, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Newnan. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Fayetteville, Jonesboro, Peachtree City, Union City, Riverdale, Fairburn, Tyrone, Palmetto, Sharpsburg, Conongate, Sandy Creek, Thomas Crossroads, and Irondale. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the